Alright, go on now.
Okay. Good afternoon. We're representing our practical case scenario 1 and scenario 4 for cluster 2. My name is Dennis Boy, we have Carl Smith, and Mr. Marshall. So we'll present scenario 1 first. Alright, so yeah.
Gotcha.
So there are three implementation of non-observing workshop procedures. Implementation 1, we have increased rate incidents and injuries. Implementation 2, risk and illness. And implementation 3, legal and financial reformations. We have 5 procedures we must maintain. Alright? Procedure 1 is regular risk assessment. This basically means conduct regular risk assessment can identify potential workplace hazards, enabling the implementation of preventive measures to minimize or eliminate risk. Second one is personal protective equipment or PPE. This is basically using helmets, gloves, goggles to basically protect yourself from workplace hazards. We have procedure 3, which is emergency procedures and training. Regular training and well-defined emergencies procedures ensure employees are well equipped to respond effectively to emergencies and reduce panic, injuries, and potential lifesavers.
There's an hygiene practices. Proper hygiene practices include hand washing, facilities, cleanliness, standards, and sanitation significantly contribute to employee health and reduce absenteeism by preventing the spread of illnesses and diseases. Regular equipment maintenance. Schedule maintenance and inspection of equipment and machinery help identify and rectify potential faults, reducing accident risk and ensuring a safe working environment.
So these are type of ways can help maintain computer. So it can be anywhere, especially at desk. So we have 2 videos. This one is help at doing ways that are cleaning the computer desk, and video 2 is ventilating or cleaning up the area. This is video 1. As windows of R, bring up your own program. That be dollar sign, dollar sign, percentage sign. I mean, not everything can be deleted in this in that temporary file. It's a temporary file with basically code catch on this code. Same thing here again, just that everything can fit and temp file just basically the stored caches on computer. So you can get rid of those to help clean the computer disk. Yeah, perfect. I should say. This is video number 2, ventilation, where you can see this is very messy. We went ahead and cleaned it. This is a use of hand tool. Show how to use hand tool. You should have your anti-save strap. Therefore, it prevents you electrifying any computer components. Right, go on to scenario 2. Scenario 2, first of all, like, three main functions of IT department of who and
Alright, so network management. This function involves overseeing the company's network infrastructure, ensuring connectivity, security, and efficient data flow. The person responsible for this would be network administrator or network manager. System administration. This function involves managing the organization's servers, ensuring they run smoothly, maintaining software, handling user accounts, and implementing security measures. The person responsible for this might be system administrator or system manager. Cybersecurity. This function involves safeguarding the company's digital assets, protecting against cyber threats, implementing security protocols, and responding to security incidents. The person responsible for this will be the Chief Information Security Officer or Security Analyst Manager.
So you have five procedures that will be observed when using computer or network. Procedure 1, strong password or authentication. This basically means like a password that is a very like do need to do and enable two-factor authentication and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Regular software updates and patch management. Regular updates to your operating system, software, and antivirus program are crucial for maintaining a secure system. As many cyber attacks exploit vulnerabilities to this outdated software. Firewall and network security. Active firewall on device and networks to monitor and control traffic, restrict authorized access, and prevent malicious software from entering your data system.
Data backup recovery. Regular backup crucial data to external storage, cloud storage, or secure offline location.
Sorry, but me and your word is
Alright. Data backup. Regular backup crucial data to external storage, cloud storage, or secure offline location to ensure recovery in case of cyber attacks, hardware failure, or accidental deletions. Yes, so employees training and awareness. Educate employees on cybersecurity. Best practices including recognizing
Are fake emails or wide suspicious websites.
yeah, reporting security incidents properly to reduce the risk of successful cyber attacks.
key maintenance activities that are carried out be the IT department and the schedule. Software updates, patch management, IT departments will update systems, application and software related security fixes, enhancements and bug correction, typically scheduled monthly or quarterly, with critical patches requiring immediate deployment. Hardware maintenance and upgrades. Hardware maintenance involves regular checks and upgrades of servers, network devices, and computer to ensure optimal functionality, typically occurring semi-annually, depending on usage and age. Backup and disaster recovery. IT departments conduct regular data backups to prevent data loss from hardware failure, cyber attacks, or accidental deletion, with periodic disaster recovery tests to ensure system functionality.
And details about it, once again without design or
Use of IT.
See the video again. When you finish.
in
Next slide.